Welcome back everyone to another video. This video is divided into two parts. In the first part, I'll walk you through the complete process of creating and verifying a Payoneer individual account. In the second part, I'll guide you step by step on how to link your Payoneer account with your Amazon seller account so you can start receiving payments directly into Payoneer. If you've already created a verified Payoneer account and only need help linking it to your Amazon store or other global e-commerce marketplaces, feel free to use the timestamps in the video description to jump ahead. Let's get started. Open Google and search for Payoneer. Click on the first link that appears, which will take you to the Payoneer homepage. Once you're there, click on the Register button and then proceed to the Sign Up option. You'll now see various options based on different business needs, including freelancing, B2B services, IT consulting, and more. Since we're working with e-commerce, go ahead and choose e-commerce marketplace. You'll then see a few more choices like Get Paid by eBay or Get Paid by multiple e-commerce marketplaces. Select the one that says Multiple e-commerce marketplaces. The platform will now ask how much international payment you receive per month. If you're just starting out, choose $0 just getting started. If you already have a running business and make under $10,000 a month, select that option instead. I'm going with under $10,000 for now. Once that's done, you'll land on the page where you begin your registration. Click on Register Now. You'll then notice a 4-step sign-up process on the screen. You'll first be asked whether your business is registered. Since this video is for beginners setting up individual accounts, we'll go with the option that says the business is not registered. Now scroll down and start entering your basic information such as your first name, last name, email address, confirmation of your email, and your date of birth. Be very careful here and make sure your date of birth matches exactly with what's shown on your ID card details or any document you're going to upload later. Even a small mismatch can cause verification issues, so double check everything. And once done, click Next. On the next screen, you'll be asked to enter your contact details. Select your country first. Then you'll see a field that says Street and Number. Fill in your complete address exactly as it appears on your government-issued documents. Once you enter the address, Payoneer will automatically unlock the other address fields like city, town, and postal code. Just make sure the spelling is perfect and everything matches. An address mismatch can cause delays, so take this step seriously. Next, enter your mobile number manually and click on Send Code. An OTP will be sent to your phone. Make sure the number you're using has not already been used to create another Payoneer account. If it has, you may run into problems. Use a fresh, unused number. Once you receive the OTP, enter it and then click Next. Now we move into security details. In the username section, you can either keep the email address that's auto-filled or enter a custom username of your choice. Then create a strong password that includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Re-enter the password to confirm. You'll then be prompted to choose some security questions from the list. Pick whatever feels most relevant to you. I recommend taking a screenshot and saving your answers somewhere secure because you may need them later for verification. After finishing that, it's time to enter your ID details. Choose your country, then select the type of ID you're going to use. I'm using a PAN card, but you can also choose any other ID proof or driving license if those are available. I have entered my PAN card number and then typed in my name exactly as it appears on the card. Once everything is filled, click Next. The last step is to fill in your bank account details. Since we're setting up a personal account, I'm going to leave the account type as personal. Write your bank country and select the relevant currency name from the box. Choose your bank name from the drop-down. You'll find all major banks listed. Fill in all the required bank details of your personal bank account, such as the name of the account holder, bank account number, bank code, and other documents linked to your bank. Lastly, choose your account type, either current or savings. For individual accounts, go with savings. Check the boxes to agree to the terms and conditions and the privacy and pricing policy. Once everything is complete, click Submit. And you're done. All right, our application process is now complete and the account has moved into the review stage. That means the account has been created, but it is still under review. Once this review is complete, the verification process will begin, and only then will the account be activated. Before that, there are a few important steps we need to complete, especially since we are setting this up for Amazon. So let me walk you through everything you need to do. First, go to your email and look for a verification mail titled Verify Your Email. Open it and complete the verification. I have already clicked and completed the email verification. Now let's log into the Payoneer account. Even though the account is still under review, go ahead and log in once. Use the same email and password you registered with. I entered my details, clicked on Sign In, and received an OTP on my phone. I will enter that OTP and log in. As you can see, the Payoneer account is created and we have successfully signed in. You will now see two key tasks on the dashboard. The first is updating your security settings. You will need to answer one initial security question and then a few more. These questions are for your own reference, so make sure you enter answers that are easy to remember. Once all questions are answered, click Change. You will receive another OTP on your phone. Enter it and click Submit. Your security settings are now updated. Next, click on Update your profile settings. Click on Purpose Code. Find the purpose code of your business type in the list, select it, and then click Save. Once that is done, click Done, and then Let's Go to confirm. That wraps up the essential profile and security settings. Now comes the verification step. On your dashboard, you will see a pop-up message that says, "You have information to submit in Verification Center." Click on Submit to proceed. The platform will ask for two things. First, the import-export code, if relevant. If you are planning to sell physical products and have an import-export code, enter it here. If not, just use your PAN card instead. The import-export code is mandatory for physical goods, but it is not required for digital product sellers. I clicked Update, then Submit, and entered my PAN card as an individual, which completed my submission successfully. Back on the dashboard, the next requirement is to upload a valid government-issued photo ID. Click on Submit. After that, choose your government ID issuing country. Choose the document ID you will submit to verify your identity, and then upload the photo of that document in here. Just ensure your name, ID number, date of birth, and photo are all clearly visible in the photo that you will upload. Try to upload a photo taken in good lighting so everything is easy to read. I selected my PAN card and uploaded it. Click Submit. You will then see a message that says, "Thank you for submitting the information we requested." That means all steps are now fully complete. Go to the History tab. You will see both your PAN card and import-export code showing as under review. The review typically takes up to 24 hours, although sometimes it can finish sooner. Once it is done, the status will change to Done. That confirms your Payoneer account has been successfully created. Your Payoneer setup process for individual account is now fully complete. After your Payoneer account has been verified, it's time to connect it to your Amazon Seller Central account, which is a crucial step if you want to receive your Amazon payouts directly into Payoneer. To do this, log into your Payoneer dashboard, click on Get Paid, and then select Receiving Accounts. Here, Payoneer provides you with virtual bank account details in multiple currencies such as USD, EUR, GBP, and others. And you can also request additional account details for countries where you conduct business. If you scroll down, you'll find several approved bank accounts for countries including the USA, United Kingdom, Singapore, and 2 more. Since my business primarily operates in the Asia Pacific and Europe regions, I've already created 5 virtual bank accounts in Payoneer, all approved and fully functional for receiving payments globally. Now, I'll focus on the USD receiving account. Let's say I have an e-commerce business operating in the United States, and I'm selling on the Amazon USA platform. In that case, I need a US-based bank account to link with my Amazon USA seller account to receive payments. I can simply use the USD account provided by Payoneer as my deposit method. These credentials will need to be entered into Amazon Seller Central. Start by clicking on the approved USD virtual account in your Payoneer dashboard. Then in a new tab, go to sellercentral.amazon.com and log in with your Amazon seller credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the top right corner of the dashboard, click the gear icon labeled Settings, and select Account Info from the drop-down menu. On the Account Info page, locate the Payment Information section and click on Deposit Methods, and select the marketplace where you're selling, such as Amazon.com for the US. You'll then be prompted to enter your bank account information. This is where you'll enter your Payoneer bank account details to receive payments from Amazon. Switch back to Payoneer, copy the details from your USD receiving account, and enter them into Amazon accordingly. For the bank name, input the exact name shown in your Payoneer account. Enter the routing number and account number exactly as provided. And for the account holder name, make sure it matches the registered name on your Amazon seller account to avoid rejection. Once everything is entered correctly, click Submit. Amazon can take approximately 1 to 2 business days to approve the new deposit method. Once approved, all your Amazon sales revenue will be automatically transferred to your Payoneer account based on Amazon's payment schedule. Now you also know how to successfully connect your Payoneer account with your Amazon seller account. And that's it for today's video. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials like this. If you have any questions about Payoneer, Amazon Seller Central, or anything we covered today, feel free to leave a comment below. I read and respond to every single one. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. More helpful videos are on the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.